What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my content. So in this video, we are going to be discussing Bing ads and affiliate marketing. I want to show you guys a strategy that you can implement in your campaigns to increase ROI. So when you run Bing ads, there's so many different things that you can do to increase your return on your investment. We want to be optimizing our clicks, but we also want to be getting the most out of what we spend. The only way to actually get that is to test. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly one of the strategies that I implement to get increased ROI on all of my Bing ads campaigns. So more than anything, let's just dive right into this. The reason I show you this is because I want you to know the importance of actually testing. So this is actually the conversion report area. But when you start to make small tweaks to your campaign, you are going to know the differences. So yesterday, $320. Now let's look at today, $288. Now, based off of the adjustments that I've made, I should be able to finish out today with this particular campaign at about $400 to $500. Now, it's not just $400 to $500 now. It's going to be an increase of ROI with running this campaign. So pay close attention to as I'm explaining the keywords, exclusions, and the times. All of this plays a role into making a campaign that makes you $100 a day, $500 a day, $300 a day profit. So you have to start somewhere. So I'm pumped to actually to dive in and show you guys all of this now.
Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day. I work hard.
I'm very excited to share this strategy with you. So now you're running Bing ads, and let's just say you're going to use your affiliate network. It could be Affiliate X, it could be Max Bounty, but this concept that I'm going to teach you and show you can work with any affiliate network that you join. So what you need to know that this can work for any tracker. You want to make sure that you're using tracking. Now I recommend using ClickMagick, using Volume. There's a ton of trackers out there. There's BMob, there's FunnelFlux. There's Red Track, I believe it's Red Track, but there's a ton of trackers out there that you can use. Now, when you use a tracker, it allows us to see data that you won't be able to see if you're not using a tracker. Now, one idea, let me actually show you this now. So what we're going to be discussing this to increase your ROI. I want you to be making more money out of the traffic that you have coming from Bing ads or Google ads. This can work for either traffic sources, by the way, because they're both search traffic. Now, when you do tracking with CPA affiliate marketing, you're going to have what you call a referrer domain. Now, what that means, I'll just put an R to keep it simple and short. But what that means, someone types in your keyword and they come from that website or that domain and they purchase. So when you're using tracking, you're actually going to be able to see where people are coming from when they see your ads and they're buying. And what you're going to find is that on Bing ads, on Yahoo search, you're going to find that there's websites that people type in, they see your landing page, they see your ad, and they never buy. Now, I'm going to actually show you some real examples on how I did this, but this is one way to actually increase ROI. So actually, let me show you this, and then we'll actually head over to the next step. So what you want to do, if you're using ClickMagick, you can look right here. This is actually one of my ClickMagick links, but if you're using ClickMagick for your tracking, it'll just say refer. Now, what you want to be tracking is how many people are actually coming off of this domain here. Is it 50 people? Is it 100 people? Once you start to get sales, you start to come up with that kill metric. In the previous Bing videos on Max Bounty, we mentioned always having a kill metric. The easiest way to find that kill metric is to start to get conversions on your campaigns. So the next thing you want to do is I'm actually going to show you on volume side. Now, right now you can see the campaign that I'm actually running. Now I want you to take a close look at this. This campaign still has not been fully optimized. It's still in the testing phase, but I want you to see. So far yesterday, I made $72, but I was negative ROI. Now I implemented some of these tactics that you're going to see in this video today. I'm really pumped to show you guys this because doing this can change the difference in your campaigns. Sometimes it's not so much testing your keywords and all that works, but sometimes it's these small adjustments that you make on a campaign that's breaking even, negative 34% ROI to breaking even, to bringing it above ROI to making even more money. So what you can do, so this is volume, whatever you want to call it, but this is the back office of how it looks. But As you can see yesterday, I was negative 34% ROI on this specific campaign. Now, when I change this over to today, there it goes, and hit apply, you can actually see that I'm 292% ROI. Now, what I noticed, the higher I scale, the lower the ROI drops. So 292% is a little high. I expect this campaign to be about 40 to 90% ROI. 292% is kind of high, but what I'm starting to know when picking apart this campaign is that the referral domains, I had to kill some, I had to exclude some, and I'll show you exactly how to do that, by the way. But also, there's another couple things you can think of, killing keywords, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But as you can see, today I'm in ROI. I optimized early in the morning when I got up. I typically spend about 10-15 minutes checking my campaigns once a day, then letting them run on autopilot. So what you want to do, as you can see, we can see right here up at the top, it says browsers, OS, devices. There's so many different things that you can look at when you're tracking. Are people coming from Android? Are people buying from iPhone? Or what type of service are they using? Or is it computer, desktop, or tablet, or mobile? I mean, there's so many different things that you can test, but also when you are getting conversions, you get to see where all those buyers are coming from. So as we mentioned earlier, it's refer. So let's actually come right here and click on it. So you can actually see that I actually had 6 visits, 2 clicks, and actually the conversions came from this domain here. But now there's also more domains here that aren't making me any sales. Now I'm going to click over to one of my bigger campaigns that I'm running, and you'll actually be able to see this a little bit in more detail. So this is another one of my campaigns I'm running, but it's still pretty early in the month. So let me just click this month and click apply. But as you start to see, there's websites here that are not making me money, and there's websites here that are making me money. So what you can be doing is you can actually be pausing the ones that are not making you money. So what I actually like to do when I'm optimizing for this aspect of my campaign is I like to turn my visits from highest to lowest. And this is some like ninja stuff that I like to do to actually bring in consistent profits after I'm getting through my testing phase. But I want you to look very close here. So right here, this domain here, I'm not going to blur out this domain here. Some of this is going to be blur out because I am running this campaign. This is a live campaign you guys are seeing. But as you can see here, 39 visits, 6 clicks to the offer, 0 conversions. Now what I typically like to do is wait till I get about 50 to 100 visits, and then if I have 0 conversions, so 100 visits from a domain, 0 conversions, I will pause that. Now, how do we pause that in affiliate marketing and running Bing ads? Now, what you have to do is you have to go into your Bing ad account. It's very simple to do. So what I would do is I would just copy this right here, and then I'd come right over to Bing. So I'm assuming as you're watching this, you'd be logged into your Bing ad account. All you have to do is click on the campaign where it says exclusions. So you want to click on website. And as you can see, I actually have some websites actually excluded from this campaign already. Now these websites here, they were bringing me traffic, but they were never converting. They were never making me money. So I don't know if, that person was doing something shady, or just the people there weren't, people willing to buy, or they just weren't purchasers. But I did not get conversions. But as I was tracking, I was able to see like, wow, I'm not making money. So what did I do? I paused it. I excluded it. Now this is one way to increase your ROI on Bing. Now let's head right back over to the drawing board. Now there's plenty of ways you can actually increase your ROI without making huge changes. Now as you start to get to conversions, you can actually optimize by T. I'll just put time right here. So you'll start to know some offers you run may convert better in the morning. Some offers you run may convert better in the evening. So you don't know until you get enough conversions to actually make that decision, because we make data-driven decisions with CPA marketing campaigns. Now another aspect, now this is something that I don't see people doing with their campaigns, and I want to share with you guys this because if I could help you make an extra 10%, 50%, 100% ROI on your money, I'm going to help you guys. So now take a look right here. Now one thing that you can even do, now this is what I've done in my campaign, is blacklisting keywords. So now I'll just put KW for keywords. Now refer domain, time, these are aspects that you can actually kill losing metrics to try to make more money. Now, the keywords is by far one of my favorite ones, and also refer domains. These are very easy to implement to start increasing your ROI. Now, for keywords, I'm going to give you an example. When you start to get a lot of traffic coming in, you'll start to see if you're bidding on the keyword. Let's just put make money online. I'll just put MMO for make money online so we're all on the same page. Now, what can happen is someone can come in and type in free ways to make money online free, and that could be the query string that someone types in. Now, you have the potential of your ads actually showing for that. So now what we would want to do is we'd want to blacklist that keyword free, because if our offer costs money, we don't want people coming to search traffic, typing in free ways to try to make money from home. They're not going to buy your affiliate offer, so you're going to be wasting money. So these are some small aspects that I want you guys to be keeping track on all your affiliate marketing campaigns. So by the way, if you guys are getting a ton of value from this video, make sure to drop a like and let me know what you guys think. What are some tactics that you guys like to implement in your campaigns to increase ROI? Now, I could sit here for 10 hours telling you all the ways to try to increase your ROI, but more importantly, after you watch this video, go test it. Implement this into your campaigns. Check out the referral domains. See if you have a domain that you've had 100 clicks to it and it's made 0 conversions. Exclude that from your campaign. Same with keywords. See if you have a query string that people are typing in, just like the example I gave you, and see if that's losing you money, that free, and exclude that from your campaign. Now, some things you may even notice is that the time difference, but also what will happen sometimes is that brand names will actually show for your keywords. So one of my campaigns, I have about roughly 3 or 4 Bing campaigns, a few different niches I'm running right now. And what will actually happen is that sometimes I'll have a keyword that'll show up a brand name for that keyword, the broad keyword that I'm using. So then I have to go exclude that. But be testing and let me know what you guys think. And by the way, come check out my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates, and hit me up in my DMs if you guys have any questions. But anyways, thank you for watching this video and have a great day.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some carpet. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday. Niggas saying they gon' rob me. I heard the same.